Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best freezer bags is probably one of the most underrated kitchen essentials, revolutionizing how we store food, reduce waste, and keep our ingredients fresh for longer, making meal prep and leftover management incredibly efficient while also being a sustainable choice for the environment. Number 5. FORID Reusable Gallon Freezer Bags. These bags are crafted from upgraded FDA food-grade PEVA material. They are free from silicone, plastic, PVC, chloride, and BPA, ensuring no harmful chemicals. You can store food and personal items safely and worry-free. Not only are they safe for you, but they also do no harm to the environment upon disposal. Their thickened design makes them more durable than similar items. This means you can reuse them many times, reducing waste. Featuring a new double-lock zipper technology, they provide an airtight, leak-proof, and secure sealing effect. This makes them perfect for storing and preserving your food. The upgraded wide side and non-slip zipper also ensure easy opening and closing. Cleaning them is simple, just hand wash in cold or room temperature water. You can easily clean the inner edge with a brush and air dry them on a mug. They are also freezer and dishwasher safe, though not suitable for microwaves. We are confident you'll love these bags. However, if you're not completely satisfied, please contact us. We'll do our best to help you solve any problem, so you never need to worry. What we like? These bags prioritize your health and safety with their upgraded food-grade PEVA material, ensuring no harmful chemicals touch your food. If you are looking for a worry-free storage solution for your family's meals, this is an excellent choice. Its robust leak-proof design also makes it perfect for marinating without any mess. What people say. Number 4. Reusable Gallon Freezer Bags. Discover the smart way to store your food. These versatile bags are designed for convenience and sustainability. Say goodbye to spills and freezer burn. Their secure seal keeps contents fresh and prevents any mess. Rest assured, your food is stored safely. They are made from high-quality, BPA-free materials. Whether you're on the go or preparing a meal, these bags are incredibly useful. Use them for travel essentials or to marinate your favorite meats. From fruits to meats and all your food storage needs, they keep your items organized and fresh. Embrace a more sustainable kitchen. Each pack includes 6 gallon-sized bags, providing ample storage for various items. They are ready to simplify your daily routine. What we like? This option offers reliable seal and leak-proof performance, making it a versatile choice for various needs. If you're frequently on the go and need secure storage for travel items or meal prep, these bags are designed for convenience. They are also BPA-free, ensuring safe food storage for your everyday use. What people say. Number 3. MOMODA Sous Vide Cooking Bags. Our upgraded vacuum pump is designed to easily and cleanly suck out air. You won't need to spend much time aligning it with the valve, making the process quick and simple. These reusable sous vide bags lock in nutrients and freshness 3 to 5 times longer. They help reduce food and money waste, perfect for meal prep, storage, or sous vide cooking. Cleaning them is simple with dish soap and warm water. Just store them in a clean and dry place after each use, ready for your next task. This portable kit includes a small handheld vacuum pump and bags for all types of food. They're perfect for picnics, camping, travel, or everyday use. Your package includes 40 sous vide bags in 2 sizes, along with 4 bag clips, 4 zipper clips, and 1 updated hand vacuum pump. It's a comprehensive solution for all your food storage requirements. These bags are made from BPA-free materials, ensuring your food is stored safely. They are also freezer safe, making them ideal for long-term food preservation. What we like? What sets these bags apart is the included upgraded vacuum pump, designed for effortless air removal to maximize freshness. If you are a sous vide enthusiast or simply want to extend the life of your ingredients significantly, this system is tailor-made for you. It locks in nutrients and flavor 3 to 5 times longer, reducing food waste and saving you money. What people say. Number 2. 10-pack reusable PEVA food storage bags. Introducing our innovative food storage solution. These bags are designed to keep your food fresh longer, making meal prep and storage a breeze. Made from 100% food-grade PEVA, they are completely BPA-free. You can trust them to safely store all your family's favorite foods. Their low-temperature resistant material makes them freezer-safe, preventing freezer burn. This ensures your frozen meats, fish, and vegetables retain their delicious taste. Cleaning them is simple with a bottle brush, and they air dry easily. Each bag replaces over 350 disposable ones, significantly reducing waste. These versatile bags are perfect for sandwiches, fruits, and snacks, but their uses don't stop there. They are also ideal for marinating, home organization, travel, and even makeup. Designed for repeated use, they are durable and reliable for any household. They support your on-the-go lifestyle with ease. By choosing these bags, you're making a positive impact on the environment. We are committed to your satisfaction and are here to help with any questions. What we like. This generous 10-pack offers incredible value and the ultimate convenience of being dishwasher safe. If you hate hand washing and need a large quantity of bags for extensive meal prepping or home organization, this set is ideal. Its low-temperature resistant PEVA material also excels at preventing freezer burn, keeping your frozen foods fresh. What people say. Number 1. Lerine reusable gallon freezer bags. Tired of hand washing? These bags are designed for your convenience, suitable for the top rack of your dishwasher. They are made from upgraded food-grade PEVA material, ensuring they can withstand temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Say goodbye to spills. Featuring a double closure design, they are waterproof, leak-proof, and airtight, keeping your food perfectly preserved. The new anti-slip lock makes them incredibly easy for anyone to open and close. Rest assured, these bags are crafted from BPA-free, food-grade PEVA material. They are perfect for preventing freezer burn, keeping your food fresh and delicious for longer. While dark sauces might cause staining, it won't affect their daily use. Make a positive impact on the planet and your wallet. These extra thick, resistant PEVA bags can be reused hundreds of times, replacing over 300 disposable plastic bags. They are a smart choice for a sustainable lifestyle. This set includes 6 spacious gallon bags, each measuring 11 by 11 inches. They are ideal for marinating meats, storing frozen foods, or organizing various household and office essentials. Their versatility makes them a must-have for any home. What we like. These bags stand out with their extra thick, resistant PEVA material, promising exceptional durability and hundreds of reuses. If you prioritize long-term investment and robust construction that can withstand frequent use and dishwashing, these are a perfect match. Their double closures also ensure superior leak-proof performance for all your storage needs. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.